Hi, welcome back. I'm Jane. I love to garden. I live up by the Wasatch Mountains in Utah. Today I'm working on deadheading all my iris. They're going to go in the compost, and then it's going to let the roses shine. So I have quite a few iris left. Let me do like a pan around here. I'm not going to deadhead things that still look good. But like you just saw, a lot of that looks horrible and it needs to be deadheaded. So come along and then I'll give you a quick tour after I deadhead everything on what it looks like here. It is so pretty. I'm over here by my Double Delight Rose. Oh, this thing is such heaven. So my neighbors are having their roof done, so I'm only going to talk for a little bit. The rest of this will be music. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to deadhead a lot of the iris that are gone, and then I'm going to give you a tour of what's blooming. We are, what is today, the 9th of June. So I love it. All the roses are coming at their peak. It is so pretty out here. So come along while I play in my yard. So that looks a lot better. Now my daylilies and my roses can shine. Now I'm going to go through the rest of the garden and do the same thing. picking peas and eating them. They're so good. Also, just remember, you can deadhead by taking the stalks all the way down, but you don't want to take all of the iris out. So leave those stalks till they turn yellow, so it gives some nutrients into a bulb, just like a tulip, into the rhizome. And then, hopefully, if you have a cottage style garden, see when the leaves are starting to turn yellow, you still have roses and daylilies and other things in your garden that are making it pretty enough that you won't have to see all the yucky. So I hope you had fun. See you later. These peas are so good. Bye.